Ann Curtis baka matanggal bilang lifetime endorser ng Jollibee. Si Vice Ganda nga ba ang dahilan nitong pagkatanggal ni Ann Curtis? Karen Mix TV, Showbiz Update. Disclaimer, ang mga larawang ito ay hindi pag-aari ng uploader. Ito ay kinukuha bilang karagdagang impormasyon. Credit to the rightful owner. So, ayun na nga guys. Ann Curtis, napikon nga ba kay Vice Ganda? Kasi itong si Vice Ganda, pinaulit sa kanya yung word na nice ganda. Parang naisahan dito si Ann Curtis. So ito na guys. Curtis co-host Vice Ganda cajoled her into saying nice ganda during the Brand Dagulan segment of the noontime show. Vice mentioned the line in his commercial for the George Yang owned fast food chain. We heart shape had emoji, you and best friend pa rin tayo, laughing, crying emoji. Posted the firm owned by billionaire Tony Tan Kai Chong on Twitter. Tapos sabi dito ni Jollibee, we love you and best friend pa rin tayo. Hashtag bida ang saya. Then nagpost itong si Ann Curtis, morning everyone, guys kalma, no need for such negative energy. Vice and I are fine. It was lapse of judgment on both sides. At least we can move forward and be careful. Ganyan ang biruin backstage. But syempre dapat iba pag on air. Kaya kalma, it's beautiful day, gawin na. So in a separate post, Vice Ganda apologized for jokes. I put in an uncomfortable situation. Wrong sorry he wrote. So ayun naman pala, nagsorry itong si Vice Ganda kaya wala nang issue. Okay na po yung dalawa. Anong masasabi nyo dito sa issue ni Vice Ganda at Ann Curtis? Comment down kayo para malaman natin ang inyong naging pahayag. So hanggang dito na lang. This is Karen Mix TV. Hanggang sa muli and God bless us all. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Yan lang po. Thank you so much and babush!